inside the classroom without walls. Now, we're looking at a very intelligent way and means of getting P.A.I.D. from all things cryptocurrencies, buying through monetizing the underlying technology that fuels, that powers all cryptocurrencies, no matter which cryptocurrency it is. And that is blockchain. Yes, the cryptocurrencies last week lost over $30 billion in 2 days. And yes, they may rebound back, but why would you want to be in a nefarious state that can fluctuate at any given time? No. In the Wealth Institute, we have gone over and trained on how to monetize cryptocurrencies through the monetization of blockchain. We use the example of your hand. If you will, look at your hand. Put it out in front of you, if you will. Now, you have fingers that come off of your hand. Your index finger, your little finger, your thumb, and etc. Now, you may lose any one of those fingers, and the hand will be fairly functional to the degree of your loss. But if you were to ever lose the palm of your hand, then the fingers would be rendered useless. For the palm is the central component that connects and provides functionality for all of the fingers. The palm. Now, let's think about cryptocurrency and blockchain. Cryptocurrencies are the fingers on the hand. They may come and go. They may rise or fall. But the palm of the hand is the blockchain. The fingers cannot exist without the palm. Keep that in mind as you seek to monetize all things cryptocurrencies. And by thinking this way, you will be thinking intelligently. You will be thinking in a manner that is unconventional. You see, unconventional wisdom, unconventional thought will make you wealthy. If you think conventionally, then you will be like the majority of the masses that populate this earth, where they're just struggling to get by day in this worldwide capitalistic system. But the hidden hand, those that control the global monetary systems, they think unconventionally. Thus, they are able to control the masses by getting P.A.I.D. from the masses themselves. Be an unconventional thinker and get P.A.I.D. consistently. And so now, continue to take copious notes as I am going to present to you another ETF, exchange traded fund, macro position that focuses specifically on blockchain. Now, I ran across some information in a recent article that was published by The Motley Fool. And it made reference to another ETF that was recently launched that focuses on blockchain called the Reality Shares NASDAQ Next Gen Economy ETF. Okay? Reality Shares NASDAQ Next Gen Economy ETF trades under the symbol BLCN. Now keep in mind, it's not optional at this time because it just launched. All right. And the SEC mandates that positions have to be stabilized, and they set a time frame that's 3 months before this position would be optionable. But we can still utilize it to get paid, just like we did on BLOK. The holdings family, the macro position inside this the micro positions inside this macro position will get you paid. And I'm going to give you a list of the micro positions inside this macro position, BLCN. Now, according to the article in the Motley Fool, okay, officially, BLCN will track the Reality Shares NASDAQ Blockchain Economy Index, which is comprised of stocks that are, quote, committing material resources to developing, researching, supporting, innovating, or utilizing blockchain technology for their proprietary use or for the use by others, end quote. Now, to create this index, Reality Shares and NASDAQ will compile a list of blockchain-related stocks and rank them by a proprietary blockchain score to identify the companies that are expected to benefit most from blockchain technology. Wunderbar, family. No need to now search for the #1 companies to get you P.A.I.D. from blockchain technology. No, they are all housed conveniently in BLCN. Let me continue. Altogether, the index will be comprised of 50 to 100 companies with the highest blockchain score. Stocks are weighted based on their score so that the fund invests more of its assets in companies that have more blockchain exposure. The index has some safeguards. Notably, a requirement that stocks in the index have a market capitalization greater than $200 million and 6-month average daily trading volume in excess of $1 million. Once again, the requirements: market capitalization greater than $200 million and a 6-month average daily trading volume in excess of $1 million. To be clear, although the ETF and index have NASDAQ in the name, it will invest in stocks listed on other markets, including companies that are listed on exchanges overseas. Talking about diversification here. Now, not surprisingly, this fund is heavily invested in software and technology-related companies, making it as much of a tech ETF as it is a blockchain ETF. And so now, at this particular time, let's take a look at the top 10 largest holdings in this blockchain ETF. We're talking about now BLCN. The top 10 most heavily weighted positions in this particular ETF is Overstock.com, 2.5%. IBM, 2.4%. SBI Holdings, 2.3%. Hitachi Limited, 2.3%. Cisco Systems, 2.3%. Intel, 2.2%. Microsoft, 2.1%. ZTE Corp, 2.1%. Navita, yes, 2%. SAP, 2%. So these positions equal 22.1% of the weighting in BLCN. Family members, you're looking for an index that allows you to readily find out and keep up with and monetize the top companies around the world that are getting P.A.I.D., that are utilizing, that are furthering blockchain technology? Yours truly just gave them to you.